Hello everyone, this is Shefali from Save a Life Foundation, and today I am going to share some myths and facts about bipolar mood disorder. But before sharing the myths and facts, let me first tell you what actually is this disorder. We all have our ups and downs, but in case of bipolar mood disorder, these peaks and valleys are more severe. It can cause a serious shift in our mood, energy, thinking and behavior. From the highs of mania to one extreme and to the lows of depression to the other. The cycle may last for several days, weeks or even months. And unlike the ordinary mood change, the mood change in this disorder are so severe that it can affect our day-to-day life activities, it can affect our job or school performances and even damage our relationships. So this was a brief introduction about bipolar mood disorder. Now I'm going to share some myths and facts related to this disorder. Myth number 1. It is just an ordinary mood swing. No, it is not just an ordinary mood swing. If you are a little bit high or if you are a little bit low, you can still go out to work, you can still go out to watch movies, you can still go out with your friends. But this is not same in the case of bipolar mood disorder. In bipolar mood disorder, the mood swings are so severe that they disrupt your life, sometimes completely. So, it is completely a myth that bipolar mood disorder is just an ordinary mood swing. Myth number 2. Mania is productive. A manic person is fun to be around and is always in a good mood. In some instances, a manic person may feel good, but without proper medication, without proper treatment, things may become terrifying. He may, go out in a shopping spree, he may go out, and spend money, he may end up taking decision which, he may regret later. And a manic person sometimes become overly anxious, highly irritable, he loses control over his actions, over his thoughts, and in some cases he may also lose control over the reality. So, it is completely a myth that a manic person is good and fun to be around. This brings us to myth number 3. Bipolar mood disorder only affects our mood. Just because उसके साथ mood जुड़ा है, मूड डिसऑर्डर है, तो मतलब ये नहीं कि मूड में ही कोई चेंज आएगा तभी वो डिसऑर्डर होगा. इट इफेक्ट्स एवरीथिंग. इट इफेक्ट्स योर डे टू डे लाइफ एक्टिविटीज, इट इफेक्ट्स योर एनर्जी, इट इफेक्ट्स योर स्लीपिंग पैटर्न. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. व्हेन अ पर्सन हैज अ मैनिक एपिसोड, he generally tends to talk excessively. He is highly energetic and jumpy. He is ready to take risk, and he finds hard to relax and hard to sleep. But in case of depression, when a person has an episode of depression, it is totally opposite. A person feels tired, he feels lack of energy, he feels trouble in concentrating. So it is not just it is not just our mood, it is our overall personality that gets affected by bipolar mood disorder. Now the last myth. Medication is the only treatment for bipolar mood disorder. No, medication is not the only treatment. While medication is effective, but it's not the only option. You can visit a counselor, you can visit a psychologist, you can go through the therapies, you can talk therapy, or we call it a psychotherapy, proves to be beneficial when it comes to the treatment of bipolar mood disorder. So at last I would like to say, mental illness is just like an ordinary medical illness. Thank you.